Subscribe to Rocking Girls and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So I hope you guys are safe and staying indoors. And guys, during this lockdown period most of we are working from home, and during this situation we need to prepare every day for our conference call or video call presentation or something like that. So today I'll show you how I get ready for my video call. And for this look I'm not gonna use any foundation or concealer or any BB or CC cream. And guys, this look gonna be very lightweight makeup look, so you can try this look when you will go to outside, obviously after this lockdown period. So if you want to know about this look, stay tuned. So the first step is moisturizer, and I have never ever skipped my moisturizer at any situation. So today I'm gonna use this Joy Hydra Boost Lightweight Day Cream as my moisturizer. Can you see that? Yeah. The packaging is exactly a dupe of a Dot and Key packaging, and it's a scented product guys, but trust me, it's a very good moisturizer. It absorbs very quickly, and that moisturizer stay for all day long. So yeah, that's why I like this. So moisturizer done, and now I'm gonna use my base makeup. So the base makeup is basically a sunscreen, and today I'm gonna use this Innisfree toned up no sebum sunscreen with SPF 50 and PA+++. So it's a tinted sunscreen. Basically it works as a sunscreen and also enhance the skin tone little bit. I love to use this sunscreen because I am not everyday foundation person. So if you are not a everyday foundation person, so this is a good option for you. And now I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers. Remember guys, blend this foundation properly, otherwise it looks whitish. So the base makeup or the sunscreen is done, and I think you can see that tint on my face. So to mattify everything I'm gonna use Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Pack, which is basically a translucent powder. I'll show you. That is how the powder looks like. Powder helped me to mattify everything, and I love to use this powder after every 2 to 3 hours when I was outside. So the base makeup is done, and now I'm gonna fill my eyebrows. And for my brows I'm gonna use this Etude House drawing eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade 05 in gray. This is very lightly pigmented product, and that's why I'm gonna use this product, because with this product I can build up the color. And if you want to know more about this product, you can check my review video, and I'll give that a link on that I button here or here. So the eyebrows is done, and now I'm gonna move on to my kajal. Guys, I am a kajal person. I love to wear kajal, and for today's look I'm gonna use this K-Beauty kajal. And guys, this is the second pencil I'm using from this K-Beauty, and this is a very pigmented kajal, and it is totally smudge proof and waterproof. So I love this kajal. Is it too thick? No, na? Okay, na? Oh, for my mascara I'm using this Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. this mascara actually gives me extra thick lashes, which I really like. So the eye makeup is done, and next I'm gonna use this My Glam Tint It Up lip and cheek stain, and I'm gonna use this tint both on my lips and my cheeks. So that I don't like to wear like too much makeup for my everyday purpose, and that's why I think this tint is a good option for me. And now I'm just gonna apply this tint on my cheeks little bit and just blend it with my fingers. Close up, I hope you can see the tint on my cheeks, and that is how the tint looks on my lips. Well, that tint can't cover my darker upper lips properly, but in my lower lips it looks great. So it's done, and I'm ready for my video conference. And if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. And during this lockdown I am 24/7 hours active on Insta, and I have been posting my everyday makeup, everyday skincare on there. So yeah, follow me on there, and I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.